we can learn how to write Chinese numbers. So first, let's see this. That's how you write 1. And as you can see, it's from left to right. And that's how you write 2. 2 lines left to right. And that's how you write 3. 3 lines left to right. And just make sure the middle line is the shortest. That's how we write 3. The number 4 looks like this. First, we draw the frame, and then we fill inside. Last, remember, you get the guest in first, and then close the door. Okay? And number 5, horizontal first, then vertical. And again, sort of horizontal first, and then vertical. Last line is the longest. And next one is number 6, from top to bottom, and also you can see from left to right. And next is number 7, horizontal first, vertical next. And next is 8, and 8 represents the left to right perfectly. And number 9, you first write this with a little hook there, and then a last stroke from, kind of the vertical. And then the last one is 10. The Chinese 10 looks like a cross. Horizontal first, and then vertical. So that's how we write all 10 numbers. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Do you like our video? Did you learn anything fun?
Be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest video updates, and be sure to leave your comments below. If you feel like you've learned something from this video, one of the best ways to practice is to go into the Mango course to form new sentences and new thoughts. Click the link on your screen to try it out.